Hi, welcome to CyberAlphabet. This is an introduction to ethical hacking tutorial. First of all, we must understand what is hacking. The gaining of unauthorized access to data in a system or computer is known as hacking. There are different types of hacking: network hacking, website hacking, computer hacking, password hacking, email hacking, and so on. Like everything, hacking has also advantages and disadvantages. Let's look at the advantages of hacking. We can recover lots of information, especially when you lost your password or someone hacked into your account. We can perform penetration testing to increase the security of the computer and network. We can test how good security is on your network. And of course, having some skills like this will make you a hero in your friends and family circle. Sounds good? Yeah. Now we can move to the disadvantages. These are the disadvantages of hacking. Harm the privacy of someone. Hacking is illegal. Criminal can use hacking to their advantage. Hampering system operations. Massive security breach. Denial of service attacks. Malicious attack on the system. And the list continues. Next topic is types of hackers. After understanding that, you can choose the path.
There are three main types of hackers: black hat, white hat, gray hat. The list continues to blue hat, red hat, green hat, script kiddie, social engineering hackers, etc. But here we are covering only the first three. Let's get some deeper into each of them. Let's start with black hat hacker. A black hat hacker is an individual who attempts to gain unauthorized entry into a system or network to exploit them for malicious reasons. The black hat hacker does not have any permission or authority to compromise their targets. They try to inflict damage by compromising security systems, altering functions of websites and networks, or shutting down systems. They often do so to steal or gain access to passwords, financial information, and other personal data. Next is white hat hackers. They are often referred to as ethical hackers. This individual specializes in ethical hacking tools, techniques, and methodologies to secure an organization's information systems. Unlike black hat hackers, ethical hackers exploit security networks and look for backdoors when they are legally permitted to do so. White hat hackers always disclose every vulnerability they find in the company's security system so that it can be fixed before they are being exploited by malicious actors. So, they're good guys. Let's move on to gray hat hackers. Gray hats exploit networks and computer systems in the way that black hats do, but do so without any malicious intent, disclosing all loopholes and vulnerabilities to law enforcement agencies or intelligence agencies. Usually, gray hat hackers surf the net and hack into computer systems to notify the administrator or the owner that their system or network contains one or more vulnerabilities that must be fixed immediately. Gray hats may also extort the hacked, offering to correct the defect for a nominal fee. Now you may have a question: why should I learn hacking? I have nothing online to lose. The answer is next section. We all know, in this digital world, where the internet has brought the people across the globe more closer, it has also caused many issues in terms of online crime and theft. Multiple options and tools are coming up that disrupts the privacy of the person. If you have noticed, security has become a trending topic among the IT guys. Even the major companies have faced a lot of financial trouble and breaches because of security flaws. The best way to deal with it is to understand how it works and actually works accordingly. Many black hats are already working on their skills to break the walls of your internet world, so it's up to you to choose the hat. Black, white, gray. Whatever the answer is, we can start together. We are here to provide you latest tools, tutorials, updates, news, and so on.